started talking to you because my parents said you were Filipino and basically forced me to be friends with you. But becoming your friend was one of the best things I have ever done. I've never had a dull moment with you. You never failed to put a smile on my face, and I can't wait to make more memories with you.
I don't know. I don't even know what to say at this point because I was just blessed to have a friend like you, a sibling like you.
I'm just really glad to have you in my life, you know? I love you so much, okay? And Casper, I love Casper.
Wide awake, the whole world was sleeping. The night is young, the air was alive. You and I could stay here for always. Gold on your skin and diamonds in your eyes.
All our sleepovers, talks, and jokes and laughs, and everything we've all been through, I'd like to thank you for just being there with me. And I love you, and I missed you so, so much, and I can't wait to see the person you're gonna become. Happy birthday, Sid.
Fireworks fade, they fall like rain. Gone.
For this first candle, this person means so much to me. Not only is she my mom, but she is also my best friend. I never got the chance to say this, but thank you for everything you do. From working hard to giving me the best things. And lastly, for being the best mom a kid could ask for. Thanks for being my #1 fan. I love you endlessly. Mom, can you please come up and light this candle? So the next person is the one who taught me everything from riding a bike to building a fire, and most importantly inspired me to love singing. You are the reason why every day is an adventure. Thank you for sacrificing everything to just take care of me. You never failed to make me laugh with your endless and crazy jokes. I love you so much. Dad, can you please come up and light this candle?
Yeah, we go with the flow like a riptide. Take a walk if you're not on my side. Yeah, we're dangerous. You're not gonna throw me. Always got my home team. You're trying to make me lose my mind. Not today, yo. We got our own mojo. You're not gonna stop us. Don't get in the way. Not today, yo. We're aficionados. Can't take that away. Oh no, not today.
Thanks for being truly an amazing friend, and I can't wait to share more adventures and laughs with you in the future. I love you, and I hope 16 treats you very well. Happy birthday.
We have been best friends for 3 years, but it honestly feels like an eternity. You make me laugh at the stupidest things. There's so many things I love about you, from your smile to your laughter to your amazing vocals. You have been one of the best friends I could have ever asked for. We have had so many memories, and I cannot wait to make many more.
Today, yo, we got our own mojo. You're not gonna stop us. Don't get in the way. Not today, yo. We're aficionados. Can't take that away. Oh no, not today.
And I remember the first day I met you, kindergarten. I was crying. I didn't want to be there because I just moved from a new school. Cindy goes up to me. She goes, "You want to be friends?" And I was like, "Yeah." And here we are.
I'm so glad to have been through it all with you, and I couldn't ask for anyone better in my life. I love you so much, and happy birthday.
Just by listening to these kids talking to my daughter's character, it cheers me up.
Today, yo, we got our own mojo. You're not gonna stop us. So don't get in our way.
Happy birthday, Cindy! We love you!
Can't take
Happy birthday, Cindy!
The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord let His face shine upon you. Be gracious to you. The Lord look upon you kindly and give you peace. Amen. Happy birthday, anak.
Oh no, not today.